Hey, what's up guys, welcome to each Motorpart. This is a 97 Toyota Camry LE 2.2 liter engine automatic. Now before you click like or dislike on this video, I am just going to show you and point it out in the easy way that if you're changing your timing belt, oil pump seal, water pump. So that means I'm not going to show you how to unscrew it or how to remove the timing belt, water pump, oil pump seal. That means I'm just going to show you how to move the parts or accessory out of the way, like the power steering pump or the reservoir or the other stuff, because it's not easy to get to it, to move all this bracket. It's a headache. I hope this video is going to help you out. Okay, stay tuned and let's get dirty. Okay, for me, I will move the dog bone and then alternator. For me to keep more light down there. To remove the alternator, loosen this one up and then this one over here. To move it out of the way, move this one over here as well. Now the engine mounting bracket, you can move it from here or over here. In my case, I will move the whole thing over here and leave this one like this. That way everything will be out of my way when I change the water pump and everything else. It'll be easier that way. Now you have to remove the bracket completely off. So after that you come down here, you go on this side over here, not there, right here. So to take the bracket off, you have to remove the pulley and then this belt over here. It is a lot easier from here because there is plenty of space and you can see it better right here. If you don't have an impact wrench like mine, do not take the alternator belt out or the power steering belt before you loosen this one up with a proco bar. But if you take the belt off like I did mine right now, it's just going to keep spinning and spinning. So the first thing you're going to do here, if you're going to reuse this belt, if not, just cut it off and then pull this pulley off. If you're going to reuse the power steering belt, so there is a 14 millivolt right here. Right there you can use shallow or deep socket right there. It'd be easy, a lot of space over here. After loosening the bolt and then this should come loose. Or if not, tap it with a hammer or pry bar and then this should come this way and this belt should loose up like that. Of course, and take the belt off. Just like that. But just in case this will not come loose. So what are you going to do next? Now remember, this part of the video over here, that if you didn't cut the belt, that's why I put the belt back on here right now. Because you have to use this wrench over here for you to reach that 12 millivolt up there, right here. Hope you can see it. Right there. Not this one, it's this one up here. So after you loosen that, at this point, the power steering should come loose completely. And then remove your pulley out of the way. To remove this pulley, it wasn't too hard for me. What I did, I had to tap it on the side and tap it on the side, and then a couple of times or 6 times, and then eventually we come loose, and then it's out of the way. At this point, the job's gotten easier. So now you can move all your belt off the way. Finally, you can move this bracket away by using a short proco bar, because you cannot use a 1/2 inch ratchet or a 3/8 ratchet right here. This one it be too shallow, too short, and this it be too thick and wide, will not fit in there. So this is perfect over here. This is narrow and then it's a little bit longer, so it will reach in there. You cannot use super shallow socket or long socket. It have to be the right size and the right length. So there is two 14 millimeter bolts right there. There is one and there is a Another one right there. That's where you go and use that breaker bar, because not enough space over here. As you can see, not enough space, maybe about an inch, inch and a half. That's it. After that, this bracket should come out. Now you can take off all the 10mm for the timing cover. There's few of them back here and then over there, which after moving this bracket, it's easier to reach down there. As you can see, there is some of the 10mm over here. There's one over there and another one up there and more up on that way. At this point, now you can change your oil pump seal, timing belt, and then replace your water pump as well, which is right there inside this cover over here. Now to put it back together, start off with this one. Make sure you put this bracket in there first to line up with this one, or the holes over here where the bolts go right there in the bottom. If not, you go and you tighten that one up first over there, and then this will not go back in place, and then you have to go back down there and do adjustment. It's kind of headache. That's why I decided to make this video. Hopefully it helps someone out. Now you tighten your power steering belt back up. It to get a long pry bar. Put it up here, right here, this spot. Right there, and then push it hard as you can if you on this side, but if you on the other side, pull it hard, tight as you can, and then get a deep or shallow socket with a extension, of course. Here you go, tight as you can before you tie it. Right now. All right, that should do it. There you go. That's good. Now don't forget to tie down back up there. This one over here. Okay, she finally back together. Everything back in place right there. Okay, we finally finished. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I will appreciate all that. Thank you very much for watching. Until next video, bye.